video. I hope you are doing good. So today I bought कुर्तीज़ फ्रॉम मीशो बिकॉज मेरे को काफ़ी दिनों से अपनी इंस्टाग्राम फीड पे ये दिखाई दे रहा था कुर्ती जीन्स सो आई डिसाइडेड कि मैं भी एक कुर्ती हॉल कर। मैंने मीशो से 3 कुर्तीज़ मंगाई है एंड दीज आर अंडर 300 ओनली इंक्लूडिंग दिस. Let's do a quick Meesho mini haul. So first I ordered this kurti and this kurti is 248 rupees on Meesho. मैं यहाँ पे सब कुछ mention कर दूँगी and link भी मैं अपने description box में डाल दूँगी so you can check this out. This is size small. Tie up kurti ये आपको shoulder से पालनी पड़ेगी. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room. So second one is this kurti and I bought this for 160 rupees only. 160 rupees only. इसके अंदर ब्लू ग्रीन येलो जो कलर आपको चाहते हैं वो सब कुछ मिलेगा एंड आई बॉट दिस इन साइज स्मॉल सॉरी एक्स्ट्रा स्मॉल. I don't know how you and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with. And third one is this kurti. This is 174 rupees. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. We can do nothing at all. So what, if you're stupid then you know it's nothing wrong. But you and me got a whole lot of meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you. So let's end this video now. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.